Novice traders often enter the trading world with a mindset they've picked up from their school days and academic learning. If I have knowledge, I can succeed. They believe that success in trading, much like other professions, relies heavily on extensive knowledge. So, they start accumulating significant knowledge in trading through various courses, styles of trading, books, and videos. They consider this knowledge as the key to their success and are reluctant to invest in skill-focused training programs. However, as Dr. Reza Anari puts it, they have so far only studied swimming outside water. In trading, unlike many other fields, extensive and scattered knowledge can work against you. Acquiring excessive knowledge is like a traveler burdening their journey to a challenging destination with impractical heavy tools. Unfortunately, many individuals come to realize these facts too late. After investing considerable time in knowledge-based training via books, videos, and webinars, they witness that, despite having access to hundreds of gigabytes of free and scattered information from different instructors, they have not succeeded in financial markets. Many novice traders fail to grasp the reality that trading is a high-performance profession. Success in trading, much like sports, music, art, aviation, and medical specialization, demands acquiring practical high-level skills. To master intricate practical skills, knowledge-focused academic teachings are insufficient. In these fields, modern interactive deliberate practice training, which the Price Action Algo Trading course is based on, are employed.